In March of 2025, Johns Hopkins released a global study highlighting the ugly truth that over 40% of people living with chronic or acute pain also suffer from anxiety or depression. And even the CDC reports that 1 in 4 Americans are now living with chronic pain. Think about that. Millions of people quietly suffering every day. And most of them have tried nearly everything. Injections, medications, rehab, and maybe even surgeries. And at the end of the day, they get told some version of, there's nothing we can do. So they give up on getting better and start adjusting to a life that's built around pain. A smaller life, a quieter life, but at the end of the day, it doesn't have to be like that. Because right now, across the country, more and more providers are refusing to accept where the story truly ends for most of these patients. And this is why I want to introduce you to Dr. Leslie Carmen, a provider, a mother, and someone who built her entire practice around one belief. The belief that no one should have to live in pain without hope. See, she didn't get into healing for recognition or money. She got into this journey for the same reason that so many providers that I talk to get in. Because someone they loved was hurting. And for Dr. Carmen, that was her daughter. And we're not just talking about any kind of pain. It's called trigeminal neuralgia, an unfortunate chronic pain condition that affects over 150,000 Americans every year. See, we're talking about pain so severe, it made it difficult to speak, unbearable to eat, and even getting through simple tasks are like a daily battle. But you see, Dr. Carmen didn't give up. She kept searching for something until she truly found a solution that worked, something that gave her daughter her life back. And once Dr. Carmen realized that the healing was possible, she knew it wasn't just her daughter who needed it. So she opened up Carmen Care, a clinic rooted in empathy, energy, and the belief that healing should never have to come with hopelessness. And for years, she helped people heal using laser therapy, hands-on therapy, and every tool she could find that she would trust. But even then, some patients stayed stuck, still in pain, searching for relief even after surgery, medications, and injections. Then one day, she came across a post on Facebook, a new non-invasive regenerative technology, fast and backed by white papers trusted by hundreds of clinics nationwide. You guessed it, it was StemWave. And it was because of our 60-day risk-free offer that she decided, why not? Let me at least give it a try. And that's exactly what she did. In fact, she wanted to see if it could improve outcomes on her toughest cases. The ones she had already treated before with little to no success. The ones that used to haunt her. And what happened next? Completely shocked her. And while StemWave's initial results were, as Leslie put it, astonishing, it was what happened after that truly moved her. The follow-ups, the faces, the disbelief, the tears, gratitude from patients who had almost given up. Patients coming back, treatment after treatment, saying, I didn't think I would ever feel like this again. You see, for Dr. Carmen, it wasn't just about relief. It was about helping people reclaim the parts of their life that were gone. Mobility, joy, confidence, connection. She wasn't just treating conditions, she was giving back people their lives. And the best part? It didn't stop with her. Across the country, hundreds of providers were seeing the exact same thing: breakthrough outcomes and restored hope. A completely new chapter of care, including providers like Dr. Bob Lutz, the owner of Motion Chirotherapy, who's been using StemWave to bring life-changing results to his community. See, we're proud to partner with providers like Dr. Carmen and Dr. Lutz, not just because of the outcomes that they're delivering to their community, but because of how they show up, with heart, with purpose, and with a belief that their patients deserve more than just another protocol. They deserve a path forward. And if this sounds like the kind of vision that you have for your practice, then I'd encourage you to watch Dr. Carmen or Dr. Lutz or a few other providers' full story next. And you can see them in the link below. So to wrap up, I want to thank you for spending a few minutes with me, and I hope you enjoyed hearing the parts of their stories. And who knows, maybe someday we'll be sharing your story too.